Hey everyone! Today, we'll guide you through MAPOG Spatial Join Tool, a powerful way to combine geographic data based on location. First, head over to story.mapog.com and open your existing map or create a new one. Give it a proper name and description. I've already added layers. Watch our tutorial on Add Data. Spatial Join allows you to merge attributes from one layer with another based on their spatial relationship. This helps in analyzing patterns, finding overlaps, and enriching your data for better insights. Once you're in, click on Process Data from the left panel and select Spatial Join. This is the primary data set you want to enhance. Hey, I'm selecting Boundary. In the Joining layer, I'll choose Banks to see the bank availability in the area. Intersects option joins data where features from both layers touch or overlap, while Within joins data only if one feature is completely inside another. You can save it as a new layer or update an existing file. Choose the data format. One-to-one matches one feature per record. One-to-many matches multiple features if applicable. Once everything is set, hit Submit. As you can see in the new data table, bank information has appeared. Click on Style layer under Action button to adjust colors, borders, and opacity to make your map visually appealing. And that's it. With the Spatial Join tool, you can bring multiple datasets together, analyze relationships, and gain deeper insights effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more MAPOG tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or email us at support@mapog.com. Happy mapping!